So today we are going to be talking about 3/4 and 2/4 time. That is part of our Module 4 stuff, as well as looking at how it goes along with our 4/4 time. So all of these are talking about different sorts of meters. Okay, we have our meter of 4, our meter of 3, and our meter of 2. And they are all, the quarter note gets the beat. And that's how we notate it. So I have right here 4/4 time, and that means that there are 4 beats per measure and the quarter note gets the beat. I could kind of write it like this, where there's the 4 there and the quarter note there, right? But no one ever really uses that notation except for starting out teaching how it goes. So that's what the 4/4, the 3/4, the 2/4 means. Okay, we have 3 beats per measure in 3/4 time, and the quarter note gets the beat. There are 2 beats per measure, and the quarter note gets the beat. Okay, and this is representative of this repeating pattern of beats that we have. So in 4/4 time, it goes something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you hear it, that beat 1 is the loudest and strongest beat. And then also if you are listening closely, you'll hear that beat 3 is stronger than beats 2 and 4, but not as strong as beat 1. So it's in between. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and in 3/4 time, it ends up being strong on beat 1 still, but we only have this repeating pattern of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you can hear and feel that has a completely different musical rhythmic feel to it. And now our 2/4 time, this one, unlike the 4/4 time, it's just 2 beats, and beat 1 is always strong, right? We might have for a 4/4 time, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. And beat 3 is still kind of strong. Our 2/4, beat 1 every time is really strong. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Now, the way that I have this shown, these things right here, those are accents in music. And I have them underneath the beats that are the strongest, right? So beat 1 every time, you notice, is the strongest. And so that is how it is notated. Now let's listen to some examples of some 3/4 and 2/4 time. So here is our 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, now here is one in 2/4 time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is the introduction for our 2/4 and 3/4 time, what they sound like in music, and we're going to be looking at how it's notated into some of our next lectures. Don't forget to be better than you were yesterday.